Hello guys, welcome back to my new session of series that I have started. So this is 23rd session of the series in which we are doing the lower back extension. And the lower back extension is on one leg only, one by one on both legs. So in this session we are doing 10 reps slowly and balancefully. Balance is very necessary because it will make your back strong. So as you can see, I am doing 10 repetitions on one leg. So holding for 1 second, the repetitions should be in a control way. As you can see, 1 2 3, so like this. After complete the 10 reps, you have to take some rest and hold for 1 minute. So holding on one leg is very necessary. It will make your lower back strong from inner muscles. It will help you reduce your inner X in the ligaments, the small tissues which are attached to your bone, your spinal cord. So it is a very long process, so be patient and do it very peacefully. If you are new person who is watching our videos, so go through our session first. Do not try it directly from here because you will fail. You may increase your pain if you start from here. So I am taking rest. Now I will start it again from another leg, making your position correct. After making your position correct, be set properly and hold for another 1 minute. This hold, as I discuss in this video, will help you in the lower back muscles. When you are doing repetitions, 10 reps continuously and gradually, that will help you make your outer muscle strong. So keep watching our video, keep doing all the sessions with us. This is a long journey, so you have to do patience. I know I also spent 1.5 years on it to rebuild my back. So thank you guys. Keep doing, keep growing with us. Bye bye.